In this quick video, I want to show you how to use an upright posture walker. And they pretty much are all the same concept and the same setup, so I'm going to show you how to adjust them and how to walk with them. Now this is an AllVibrant, but it doesn't matter if you have a Medline, if you have an OasisSpace, an upright. There are several different brands. Vive is pretty popular, but they all have the same construction. The whole idea is that you want your back straight. You don't want to be hunching over or up like this. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your armrests are a 90-degree angle with your elbows. So like if I'm standing up straight, my arms are out and they lay here, 90 degrees. And all upright walkers will make it to where you can adjust this up and down. Average height that they measure is for people 4'8" to like 5'10". Now I'm 5'5". So pretty much when you walk, you want to make sure that you're straight up posture. Now these wheels on this AllVibrant is 10 inches, and you'll find on most of the popular brands they're 10 inches, or they can go over humps and cracks and all that good stuff, gravel. And when you turn, you want to try to go in a long, rounded way. You don't want to really make sharp turns. It makes it difficult on the patient. So you can also back up with them. Now most upright walkers have brakes, so it's just like a bicycle, 10-speed. You just push on the handle, and the right one will lock the back brake, and then this one will lock the left. Now you can, if you're standing somewhere, you can keep the back brakes locked permanently until you unlock them. Now with this AllVibrant, a lot of models just push the handles forward like that. All right, and that will lock the brakes. And then to undo it, you just do this. Now there's some that will actually have like a little plastic here, just play around with it, that will push down on it. You just push down and that will lock in place. Kind of like a wheelchair has those as well. All right, most upright walkers, to adjust these arms, it's fairly simple to do. Most of them will have a button. So for this AllVibrant, you would just push this button down, and this will go up or down. And then it has additional support with a knob. And I'll show you up close what I'm talking about. So this has a knob for additional support. All right. And this one has like a little storage bag on there. That's pretty self-explanatory. This is so you don't fall over, or if you have a crooked back or you're lunched over, that will help it to give you additional support. Now this particular AllVibrant is a 3-in-1, so you can adjust it to where you can just sit down on it as well, like this. And then you can lower these armrests. Let's say you're at a concert or a movie, you can lower these armrests and you have a seat. Pretty nice, right? All right, and then this one, AllVibrant actually has a cane holder right here where you can just put your cane and it will clip down like that. Pretty cool. Now, in order to fold it up, it's pretty self-explanatory. Most of them are pretty easy. The only thing you have to do is just lift up on the handle or lift up on the seat, like that. And then of course you can walk with it as well, and you can lock it as well while it's stationed like that. So that's for easy storage, or if you need to put it in your van or your car. That is pretty cool. All right, trying to think, let me show you a little close-up view of everything that I was showing you. Oops. All right. So, like I was telling you here, most upright walkers you can adjust by just pushing down the button. So see if I push, and then I could tighten it with this screw with the additional support right there. And then that way I can lower and raise my armrest. Here's the lock, or the back wheel. So if I push forward, that will put the brake on, or if I want to lock it, I can just push down on it. like that. And like I said, some of them will have a little plastic thing that kind of looks like this, and you push it to where it will lock. Here's the little storage bag on this AllVibrant, which is pretty cool. But it's pretty self-explanatory from this point on. If you do have any questions, put it in the comment section and let me know what brand you have. Do you have a Vive? Do you have an OasisSpace? Do you have a Medline? What do you have? And I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get a Vive for fairly reasonable rate if you're looking for an upright walker. But I'd highly recommend them because they serve multiple purposes, not just to give you walk support, but standing support as well. And they're very, very comfortable. Like I could stand on one of these for hours because it supports your weight over here on the elbows. So you're using your shoulders for additional support. So it's pretty impressive. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.